Hello, my crafty friends. This is Mary. I've got another card sketch for you today. Welcome back to Cardz TV, guys. I'm so glad you came by today because this is Card Sketch Saturday. Every Saturday I'll have a new card sketch for you, and today this is sketch number 42. Now this is a landscape card, and as I always tell you, you can change anything on the sketch that doesn't fit in with what you have in mind for your card. But I've got all the measurements on here if you want to make this exact card, and it's very simple to follow. Now we've got a card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and I've already gone ahead and cut all my papers, and I've got my card base here. So I've got a white card base, the same size as the one on the sketch, and for my mat, which is 4 inches by 5 1/4, I've got this red, pink, and green mat. I think that's so cute, and I wish I could tell you who made this, but I got it out of my stash, and I do not have a clue where it came from, but it's really cute. Now, I like to back my pattern papers with a solid color, so I decided to cut a piece of green to go behind this, and I just go up 1/8 of an inch on all sides, and that's going to go down just like this on my card base. Then we see we have a border, which is 1 inch by 5 1/4 inches, and for that I've got just a piece of green and white polka dot. And I'm going to get my glue and get this put down as well. Now we go back and look at the sketch, and we see there's an oval and a shadow. Now for that I used the Elegant Edges cartridge, and I cut this oblong on page 23 right here out of white, and I came down here and then cut the shadow out of some more of that green, and I cut them at 2 1/2 inches. And I'll get those over here and show you those. 2 little scalloped ovals, and I'm going to get these put together, and they're going to go right here on the front just like in the sketch. Now before I put the ovals down, if I go back and look at the sketch, I see that my little sentiment banner is 1/2 inch by 2 inches, and it goes behind this oval. So I want to go ahead and get that down first, and I used some Memento Tuxedo black ink, and I stamped hello there, because this is going to be just a little thinking of you card, or when you just want to check and see how somebody's doing, let them know you're thinking about them. So I'll go ahead and get that down, and I'm going to put my ovals down flat because what's going on here I'm going to pop up on some foam tape. Now to go on my little ovals, I decided I wanted to put some fruit on here, and I love these little cherries that are on page 48 in the Preserves cartridge, and I cut the cherries at 2 inches. Now you'll go up here under layer and cut your 2 shades of green, and then here's your cherry right here. You'll cut 2 of those, and then you'll cut your background so that you can put your pieces together, and that's at 2 inches. I used my Cricut Explorer though, and I did a print and cut for these, and I've got these on some foam tape, and I'm going to get them positioned right here on my oval. Just like that. I think this turned out so cute. I love the red, white, and green. It's just so cute. And we've had some ice and sleet and snow, and this makes me think about spring and summer, which we all need right now, don't we? Now, if we look over here at the sketch, you'll see there's 3 little circles, 2 smaller and 1 a little bit larger. Now, if my paper wasn't so busy and didn't already have all these polka dots on it, I would place some enamel dots or some little glitter gems right up here in that triangle formation. And you can do that too if you want, if your paper's not too busy. But mine is way too busy to put anything else on here. I really don't think it needs it anyway. So there we have it, guys, sketch number 42. You can find all 42 sketches by going over to my blog, cardstv.blogspot.com. They are all free to download. Just look under Cardz TV and you'll see Mary's Card Sketches. Click on that and you'll find all the sketches there. And just right-click on the ones that you want and save them to wherever you save your photographs and your images, and then you'll have them for future reference. There we go, guys. I really appreciate y'all coming by and spending some time with me today. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to go pick up your sketches now. I love you all, God bless you all, and I'll see you again soon with another card. Bye now.